We'll demonstrate the rhythm section first. I've got this sequencer running, the rhythm is turned up, but I've got all four outputs shut off from the mix. So if I put on the bass, it's full on, decay, down to 0. Here's hi-hat. Decaying it down to 0. You can change the caps and resistors on the rhythm board if you prefer longer maximum decays. If you'd like this range to be longer at the top end, you can easily change that. Same with the drums. If you turn on just the snare noise without the snare drum itself, it sounds kind of like a clap. Sounds a bit like clapping. Decay that out. Add the drum to that. Just decay out just the clapping, the noise. Or you can fade out just the noise. Sounds a little like a bongo without the noise in there. That's all 4 sections added. If we use the accent, we've got it set to VCO2. I've got VCO2 set to LFO, very slow frequency right now. So if I add that accent, you'll hear how that slow waveform is modulating the output of the rhythm. It's like a long envelope up and down. Speed it up. If I make VCO2 so it's outputting a audible tone, the effect is kind of interesting on the accenting. So we stop that, we change VCO2. That's a very low tone. There's a bit of rumbling added. But if I make that a little bit higher, get ringing on the drums. Use the envelope generator. It really cuts out parts of the beat. The sharp attack, we're only hearing the very beginning part of the beat on that, the rhythm on that section. That's using the slow attack. Slow attack one, fast attack. So by adjusting the amount, you can really get some nice effects on the rhythm. Now sub-oscillator, we're going to keep everything down just so you can hear each particular section, and then we'll put them all together at the end. So everything is turned off right now. I'm going to turn up VCO 1 so you can hear it. It's just the demo sequence. All right, we got sub-oscillator set to number 1, 0, 1 octave down. And we're going to add that to the mix. Back that up a little. Sub-os here. Two octaves. And the phase. I just want to hear the sub-os alone. Now the pulse width modulator. Again, here's our bass. We're going to input 1. We're going to use the envelope generator. Back these up. Turn that down. Start to increase the pulse width. It's being driven by the envelope generator, which is on the sharp attack setting. Now we're going to use the LFO here as the modulation input.